This door is open. Yeah. That's what it says. All that. All right. Yep, that's what it is. It's 4.6.
You're supposed to click one.
No, there you go. So there's a testing.
Available custom tunes. Testing 7.
Just go to testing 87. Because that's what's in there right now. Cheap gas. That's telling you what it is, huh? Approve it, yeah, because that's all set up. How you just approve it?
No, you gotta program them all.
You gotta program them all.
Oh yeah. Air to fuel, actual ratio, tires, idle drive.
Valentina. Josiah, what the heck? Yeah, baby. Oh, 04. Woo, I feel the shift points.
You do another one?
Nah.
One, 2, 3.
The Joker started making noise when you fire it up. Well, not when you fire it up, but once it's warm. So I let it cool. Temp's cool. Trying to warm it up, see if it's that cat. It's moving out right now. It's weird because the cat, now I'm warm. Can't tell. I'm not losing power. Nothing like that. I had to make sure. Last thing I want to do is put any more time and money into a car that's got a bottom end knock.